In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a saved search on Zillow Desktop 2026 guide. First, let's get your search loaded exactly the way you want it. Head to Zillow.com and sign in so your saved preferences and custom filters are available. From your profile, open the saved search you want to share. If you haven't saved it yet, you can manually reapply your criteria, pick the neighborhood or area, set your price range, choose beds and baths, and select the home type. Give the page a moment to finish loading so both the results list and the map reflect your precise filters and zoom level. When the page stops shifting and the listings look right, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll capture the URL, which contains all of your filters. Click once in your browser's address bar to highlight the entire web address. Copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. It's important to keep the URL exactly as is. Avoid using URL shorteners or trimming off any parts of the link because those extra characters carry your search parameters and even the map position. If you cut them, the recipient won't see what you intended. To share, paste the full link into an email, a text, or a chat message. When the recipient clicks it, they'll land on Zillow with the same filters and the same map view you set. They don't need a Zillow account to open and browse those results, so it's great for quick collaboration with friends, family, or an agent. A few technical notes to keep things smooth. Zillow listings are live, so even though your filters stay the same, availability and ranking can change over time. That's normal. Also, the map's position is part of the URL, so make sure you've panned and zoomed to the exact area you want to highlight before copying. And remember, your personal alerts, notifications, or anything tied to your profile won't transfer through the link, only the search settings and view. If someone reports different results, first confirm they received the entire URL. Some messaging apps may wrap or truncate long links. Ask them to copy and paste the full address into their browser. If you adjusted filters after you copied the link, grab a fresh URL. Zillow updates the address as you tweak settings, so always copy after the results have fully refreshed and settled. And that is all for today. Sharing your perfect search criteria makes the collaborative home buying process fast and effective. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.